How to delete all game data on Android. Hello and welcome back to our official help desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step process of how you can delete your game data from your Android device. So without any further ado, let us get started. Head over to your settings app. Now at this section, scroll below and tap onto apps. At this section, you will see all the apps that you have in your device. Now at the top search bar, type in the name of the game application that you would like to delete the data of. For instance, I'm gonna go ahead and type in Facebook, as I don't have any games application in my device, but in your case, you can just type in the name of the game application. It is same for all apps, and it will just look like this. Now here, tap onto storage. Then you will see two options. One is clear cache and another is clear data. First, start with clear cache. Now tap on clear data. Also be noted that if you are clearing some applications data, it will delete all your files, settings, and databases. If you would still like to continue, then tap on delete. And just like so, this is how you can delete the game data from your Android. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.